You guys, I want to share this with you. We boiled, hard boiled, um, like 18 eggs, and they turned out perfect. They peeled perfect. They were amazing. And we took all the pickles out of 46-ounce jar of dill pickles. Dill pickle jar. Took all the pickles out, left the juice. Then peeled the eggs. There's 13 eggs to be exact in this jar. Look at this. In with the pickle juice. Then, guess what we're going to do? See this? Frank's Red hot sauce. The best stuff ever. One of the best things invented. So I'm going to take the lid off because we're going to pour it right in there. It's going to go boom, 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 boom until you've taken up all that room that was here, that was left. And then you're going to take and you're going to stir that up. And the longer these eggs sit in this jar with the juice, I'm just showing you, these have been in here for a little bit, but I moved them and put some fresh juice because I wanted you to see how we mix it. But you keep these in here and then pull one out, and every week it's in there. Oh my goodness, so good, so good. And I have a friend here today, and she said she would eat one of these eggs. So she's gonna take a bite of one of these eggs for us. But she doesn't want to be on camera to do it. So we're gonna have to take one out and give it to her. But these are delicious. So I want you guys to try these. Those of you, I know a lot of you have, my teenage boys loved these eggs. And so you need to try them because they are delicious. What do you think? Good? She's giving me a thumbs up. So that's pretty good. But try it. And the protein that you get from these eggs is incredible. Curbs your appetite because one, you're eating protein. Two, your body needs all that protein. So it's another way to get protein in through eggs, which is one of the best sources of protein. So try it. I hope you like it. Please keep visiting us on our YouTube channel. Let us know how we're doing. Subscribe. Get your friends to subscribe. And I hope you enjoy all the meals and snacks and everything we've been trying. So come back and see us. And remember, there is good in every day. But every day is not going to be a good day. So just remember that. You've got to go find the good in every day and share it with a friend. Okay?